How to save in tough economy. You don't save money before, you can end up chopping it. You come, they shine eye. You don't even remember which problem collect them. Saving no hard, na the discipline, the wahala. Saving your first 100,000 naira isn't impossible. It starts with one decision. The first time I tried to save 100,000 hard for Misha, wahala no gree finish, every day na temptation. But it is doable and I strongly advise everyone to save. Note, while you save, you must also invest. Don't lock all your money in savings account. You must make some of your money work. Turn them to workers, hustlers when feet go kidnapped. More money come meet you. The only legit kidnapping allowed. So how can anyone really save? First, give your savings a purpose, whether it's starting a business, building an emergency fund, or paying for a course. A clear goal makes it easier to stay committed. The why is very important. Second, save before you spend. Set aside a fixed amount as soon as money comes in instead of waiting to see what's left. This one really hard. Oh, some people money don't finish before you come, but you must still learn how to. Maybe I will make another video on how to bounce out of debt and grow your finance. Comment if you want that. Third, reduce unnecessary spending. Small daily expenses add up over weeks and months. No be everything mouth see and must consume. Auntie, you must not buy that shoe, bag, or phone if the budget is not there. And brother, slow down with beer. Leave merry bed and that. You know. Fourth, look for ways to increase your income. Sell a skill, offer a service, or take on extra work. Growing your income can speed up your savings. This is very important. On Money Talk with Frank channel, we will be talking about different hustles you can start. Last, track your progress. Watching your savings grow can motivate you to keep going. Know who start, they win. The journey to your first 100,000 naira may not happen overnight. It might start with 100 naira or 1,000 or 5,000. Yeah, but consistency beats speed. Every naira saved brings you closer to financial confidence. No think I'm too long. Your mind and country situation go persuade you not to start. Start today, stay disciplined, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Do have a blissful day and work so plenty money go bounce into your account today.